In this video, we are going to do Zomkom. Zomkom is a drink made out of millet with some healthy spices such as ginger, black pepper, quintian, cloves, dried red pepper, which is optional because not everyone consumes pepper. So, we'll start by grinding our millet. Millet is a type of grain growing in the northern part of Ghana, which also is high in fiber and low in starch. It's really good. And first of all, you have to soak your millet overnight for it to soften so that grinding will become easier. So we add a bit of water. And grind. I think at this point, we'll add our spices, the ginger, the cloves, the dried pepper, quintian, and all, which are also antioxidants. Normally, adding these spices, it's to your preference, the quantity you want. So if you know you don't take in a lot of ginger, you just add a little of it. I prefer to take ginger, so I think I'll add all. These spices are good for our respiratory and also contain some antioxidants. So after blending, you strain. It's not fading. So we strain it. So you use your strainer. Make sure your strainer has tiny holes. If you can't bear cloth type of strainer, you can use it too. I think we'll add a bit of water. There's no specific amount of water. You add water for your preference. Zomkom enhances breast milk production. So if you're a breastfeeding mother and you don't have enough breast milk, you can consume Zomkom to help produce enough breast milk. Now we are done with the straining. So we are going to add sweetener of your choice. This drink becomes healthy depending on the quantity of sweetener you add to it. And in this video, we are using sugar. If you don't consume sugar and you consume honey, you can add a honey. by using sugar. We add up a bit of sweetener. I'll add 3 spoons, which is okay by me. So you stir it a little, so make sure all your sweetener is dissolved evenly. You can also decide to add up the strained fiber to it. If you know you are suffering from constipation, you can add up a bit of fiber so that you can be able to have free bowel. You pick your whatever you want to serve into. So I'm using a jar. You can decide to use calabash. Yeah. It can be served warm or chilled. Not everyone likes it chilled because due to some conditions, some people don't consume chilled cereals or chilled products. So, cold. 3 dust. You're invited. So Zomkom, it's a drink originated from the northern part of Ghana, and it's common there. It's mostly served in most of the occasions. It's a healthy drink made out of millets and with some healthy spices or healthy herbs, which contains antioxidants. Millet also is low in starch and high in fiber. Fiber is one of the things that helps in regulating our sugar level and also our fat level. It also prevents constipation, and also Zomkom enhances breast milk production. You can use Zomkom as snack, or probably in the morning if you don't feel like taking something heavy, you can take in Zomkom. These spices can also be omitted. If you feel you are not a spices fan, you can just soak your millet, blend it, strain it, and drink it, which is very healthy. Don't forget to follow us on all social media platforms and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit on the notification button to get more updates. Bye!